Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be on this website here called Paidwork, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money online, right? Just from your phone, computer, tablet, get paid whenever you are without an investment, get started. Big question is, how much money can you really make? And look, if it claims down here that you can make full-time income for all people from every country. Let's take a look at whether that's really the case or not, or is it a waste of your time, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, minimum 100% from home, you just need your computer and an internet connection. Just go ahead and click the link below this video and I'll send that strategy directly to your email if you would like, all right? Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of websites like Paidwork, okay? Now, when you first land on this website, I think the big problem is that it looks like it's some sort of job website where you can really make full-time income, right? Look, it says the flexible solution. Paidwork is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country, right? You can earn money on any device with access to the internet wherever you are. You'll get paid for your time spent and engagement on the platform. Now, this is kind of true, but the problem is they use full-time job for all people. So it makes it sound like you can make full-time income. Does that make sense? So yes, this can become a full-time job, but is it going to become full-time income? Let's take a look at this, all right? So what is Paidwork exactly? Now, this is basically a GPT website, get paid to click website. I've reviewed hundreds of other get paid to click websites. There's some great ones out there like Inbox Dollars, Prize Rebel, Swag Bucks. These are all global, legitimate get paid to click websites, and they focus mainly on three things: playing games, taking surveys, and downloading offers. So Paidwork is exactly the same, all right? So once you log in, and you can do this globally, they will give you access to different ways to actually make money. So you can fill out surveys, you can play games, you can watch videos, you can do online shopping, that sort of thing, right? Which is pretty standard. Now, the way it works is they work with third-party vendors, okay? So when you click on the fill out surveys, they'll work with very, very big legitimate survey companies like Theorem Reach, for example, like branded surveys, for example. You can go directly to Theorem Reach, you can go directly to branded surveys and sign up. All they're doing is they're an aggregator. So they work with them and they aggregate all the surveys, and they're kind of like a funnel that funnels you and gives you opportunities in different survey companies. That's all it is, right? It's the same with the games and it's the same with the videos, for example, okay? But the big question is how much can you really make from filling out a survey or watching a video or playing a game through Paidwork, right? Well, the thing is that it claims to be some sort of, full-time job website, when in reality all it is it's a GPT website. It just allows you to fill out some surveys, play some games, and watch some videos. And the big question is can you really make a lot of money from these different things, okay? Well, let's talk about that a little bit, okay? So basically, when you fill out a survey, on average, you will make anywhere from 1 cent to maybe 50 cents a survey. That's about it. And you can't fill out 100 surveys a day. Okay, you can only fill out a couple of surveys a day, and so most of the time you're only going to make a few cents here and there for the surveys. The games, for example, for every game that you play, it's going to take you ages, because basically the games, they say you're playing games, but basically you are playing games, but they come in the form of an offer, which means that the only way that you can make money from that game is if you reach a certain level inside that game. So it might say something like, we're going to give you $2, but you have to reach level 35 for this particular game. Now, to reach level 35, it might take you a week to get to level 35 before they pay you that $2. Does that make sense? So yes, it makes you play the game, but you can only earn that income as an offer when you do specific things within that game itself, okay? So yes, you can make money, but it's going to take you a long time. Now, watching videos, on average, we're talking about 1/10 of a cent for every video that you watch. So if you do the math on that, you're going to have to watch hundreds and hundreds of videos in order to make anything significant. We're talking about 50 cents to maybe $1, and that might take you a few days in order to add up that income, right? So yes, you can make money from Paidwork. It's a legitimate GPT website, but are you going to make full-time income? Absolutely not. All right, on average, if you spend roughly about 2 or 3 hours a day on Paidwork, on average you're making about, I would say, 70 to 80 cents per hour. So if you spend 3 hours a day on the website, you might make anywhere from $1 to $3 per day. Okay, it's not life-changing income. In some countries that might be life-changing income, but for the most part, for most big countries around the world, this is not really going to be a game changer, and it's not full-time income. Full-time income, we're talking about 3, 4, 5,000 US dollars a month. You will never ever be able to make that kind of money here. Okay, on a website like Paidwork, we're talking about $1 to $3 a day at the most. And so that's roughly about $50 to $100 a month. Okay, that's not full-time income, is it? But yes, you could end up spending 8 hours a day on a website like this. Absolutely, right? But again, $50 to $100 US dollars a month is not full-time income. So can you make a little bit of money from paid work? Yes. Can you make full-time income? No, you can't. Okay, you can make a couple of bucks a day for a lot of hours spent on the website, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so as long as you understand that that's kind of the way that the website is designed, then you're perfectly fine, right? Now, you can withdraw your money through a bank transfer, through PayPal, and through Payoneer, which is great. These are all great ways to withdraw your money. The minimum threshold is $10, which will take you, I would say, at least a week or two to get to, all right? If you're spending 2-3 hours a day, look to spend at least 1 to 2 weeks before you even reach anything close to $10. All right, that's just the way that GPT websites are designed. They're not designed to make you rich. They are legit, but they're designed to make you a tiny bit of money for the amount of time that you're spending in. So that's my review of paid work. Okay, but if you're watching this video right now, maybe look, if you have 2 or 3 hours a day extra to spend online and you really want to make money online, there are a lot of better ways to spend your time, and you can make hundreds of dollars a day versus a couple of dollars a day. Okay, so if you would like to find out my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars a month minimum, 100% from home, all you need is your computer and internet connection. Just go ahead and click on the link below, and I will send you that strategy for free directly to your email. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I will see you on another review video. Take care.